Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Reddit post. So that can be either to reshare it on your as your own post or to share it on a social media app. So you want to scroll and find that post, and below it you'll find a share icon. Click on that. You can choose to here you'll be able to copy the link. So click on copy link, and then you want to go ahead and create your own post. So you can simply click on the upper right hand side if you want to do a new post. Click on create, and here you can go ahead and you can paste this in the body, and here you'll be able to paste this specific link to that post, right? And you can go ahead and you can enter this title and so forth, right? And so the next thing is that if you want to share this through other social media application, you can do that. All you have to do is open up that social media icon and just paste the link that you shared, and that's pretty much it. So you can share it in WhatsApp, you can share it through your Instagram, Facebook Messenger, whatever, and it is as easy as that, guys. It's very easy and very simple.